Oh, it is nice and warm in here, that's for sure. Well, got the windows all cleared up. It's probably good enough for right now. So let's shut her down. She's been running for just almost an hour. Oh, and by the way, how do you like my redneck ice scrape or snow scraper or ice scraper, whatever you want to call it? Since don't have a plastic scraper, well, we used to have one, but my brother has it. So this is what my mother used yesterday when getting all the snow off of her car. Just a kitchen spatula. Works pretty good. And for when I went inside, I was able to get the driver's door open. So now it's opened up real well. I sprayed some deep creep on some of the spots where I would assume where there was some ice at. Then I closed the door and opened it a few times, and now it opens and closes just perfect. Alright, let's go out back and take a look how it looks out here. I can't really say for sure on how much snow we got. It's snowed mostly on early Tuesday morning, and just as the day went by, it just started getting colder and colder. Look at that, this is solid ice. Yeah, that's all this is, solid ice. Stomping on it, it's actually cracking. Yep. This is the second day of all this now. I didn't take a video of it yesterday while snowing because I haven't been feeling that well, but I feel a lot better today. And let's see, it's been, yeah, pretty much now that some places are closed, and actually all the schools in the area are closed too. And I've been off work though, which basically we've been closed over at work too. Yeah, not as much snow as it was last February, that's for sure. Still got to do a little bit more cleaning up along there this spring. Cut all that with the hedge trimmer. Believe it or not, that's actually monkey grass right there. There's some more monkey grass right there too. It usually likes to grow on cold days. Oh yeah. I think my dad's tomato plants are like totally dead. Oh yeah. And I gotta put the recycling bins out for recycling, which it comes tomorrow. It comes every Thursday. So for right now, I'm gonna head into the house and get in the house where it's nice and warm. It is cold as hell out here. And take a look at the circle. Not too much ice. Way over there, yeah, there's a pretty good patch of ice right there. Probably go a little too fast over that, you could probably lose control. Alright guys, so alright, hope y'all enjoyed the video. So, thanks for watching.